Whew. Kecoh inside the shop. Shouting all. Got all my stuff. Wait this one always I will hook the wire, then it get pulled out. Okay, got my fresh new set of stickers. And then when I looking at this one, I like, hey, I forgot lah. Okay, you can see at the corner there, we got our sticker, touring sticker, Zero Bros 2023 tour around Thailand. Even forgot to show you guys the one we stick at Route 41, man. Alamak, totally forgot. Sometimes like that plan all the other things then forgot all the things where it was done before. Well, at least got my stickers done. Ngam lah. Now it's like 53 already, 153. So just nice, head to hotel and check-in time and chill out. Hat Yai. That's another hot ride. It was the same. I feel like it's a bit more hotter now as compared to when we came in. Let me just check my pouch. Okay, it's buckled. Okay, luckily the hotel is just nearby. I cannot see because now the sun is glaring and my screen also really rabak already. So let's just stop somewhere here and then I just double check my route. Okay, just further down 1.9 km lah from the what you call it, the sticker shop. It's called Monkham Village. Later when we reach, then you see lah what's it like over there. It's further down. I need to make a left. Just have to be mindful of my bags because sometimes totally forgot saddles configuration is now the saddle formation, which seems to be the best so far for riding higher speed and the longer distance part. Also better for corner lah. Center of gravity also lower. Okay, make a left here before the traffic light turns. Sweating like hell. You got my disinfectant spray, man. But son, I tell you, go home, I need to wash, man. Everything really just soak. Get rid of all this sweat. Okay, I got a gym. 7-Eleven nearby also. Never really see petrol stations yet. Shouldn't be a problem because Sadao border also 60 km. I think only use like about another don't know how much only, so shouldn't be an issue. And once reach Malaysia side also, petrol station also not much of an issue. That one quite straightforward to locate, and most is open lah at whatever timing. To make a U-turn further up, just the heat, guys. Hey, this one looks very familiar. I think this one in Songkhla. You see if you can see the picture of that mermaid. If I'm not wrong lah, it should be at Songkhla. Maybe next time I go and find this little mermaid. Wow, starting stand the heat only you can feel suddenly the brain is like feeling tired, even though I'm not tired. You just want to yawn continuously. The blood to the brain, I guess. What is that? Let me see. My timing is about another 13 seconds. 3 minutes out. I said just nice lah, the timing when my stickers is done. Just need to do a U-turn and then go into a side road. Then we are home free for the rest. further up, it's not distant. Let me just go past this guy if I can. Nope. I thought he's gonna go right. Okay. Now let's to see my map properly in case I miss the turn. I tend to miss quite a lot of turns, especially coming downward south. I think tired of riding, all the riding. Either that or sometimes too focus on the video, right? Then I always should be inside here lah. It's inside there, then got to go inside all the way straight. See, I could have go in front lah. Never mind lah. We just chill out here anyway. It's just nearby. So just bake in this burning hot Thailand sun and heat. Okay lah, starting to get used already lah, the heat so cold lah. But I said if you can, it's best to just get shelter and not get burnt. See the whole road also, I can see the heat wave, man, all over the place. Need to air out everything for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a long ride back also. Looking at all the 700s and 800s already per stop. U-turn, lorry U-turn. Okay, yes, I did it. Okay, now I need to get into my turn here. Okay, it looks like it's all the way straight. Let me just check again. Yep, it's Monkham Village. I think it's one lah. You can see the building a bit more nicer. Anyway, this one's a bit more central. So okay. Is it this one? So hard. Oh, here. Yeah, so I guess this one the entrance or Monkham Hat Yai. Or is it must park down there? Oh, not too sure. Okay. Check in. Looks like going for a walk. It's apparently the next building. 5th floor. Then you go grab my other stuff, man. Helms and stuff. It's all the parking. Get rid of all my current at the 5th floor, man. Here at the Monkham Village. Seems to be the higher room here. Anyway, it's short stay lah. Can straight away unload, then I can go around and check out. Got the happy hour and stuff. Not much of a view. 2508. here. 508. Oops. Okay. Trim my lights. Let's take a look at the room. Entrance. It's just here. The fridge, big fridge, more. Entry area. Nothing much there. Big toilet. Dressing area. Shower area. And bathtub. Chill out. Head back this way. Of course, TV console and bedding. Check out the garden view, which is not much. How do I open this? It's from here, huh? Yep. Garden view. Nothing much to see, so lucky it's a short stay. There we go. X0 here. Zero Bros has now reached Hat Yai. This is the final stop in Thailand, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the Zero Bros channel to catch our touring trip here in Thailand. Yeah, what a journey, man. Okay, so managed to ride down a bit, about 4 clicks away. Here at, I can see the sign here, Nightkids Car and Bike Detailing. Sent my bike over there. Wash and with chain especially. There's 250 plus 100 for the chain. There's a waiting area, man. Quite interesting. Go inside. I do it over here. I just check out the area, man. Go get a drink also. It's pretty nice. Nice waiting area. Wow. Get your bike wash. Just gonna chill out here for a bit. I think it'll take a while. Later I'll go down and check out the bike itself. I guess there's supposed to be this stuff to eat or something. Got one new model S1000. Latest generation one. Got pool table, got some cleaning equipment. And of course the chilling out area. Got my helmet here. This chill out area, man. But I walk down and see. I feel like you can bring your car also, bring your bikes. Out here I'm not too sure lah. It's like very weird. The place also quite ulu also. So too sure. They started with my bike yet. That's only sent in a while. There's a Ford Ranger being polished. Then my bike also, or my bike's here also. Let them do their work. Just leave them be. Then we'll be back once it's all washed. Even see the price list. Not really a price list lah. Of different type of size of car. Then I think for bikes, price list also. Harley Davidson 250. And also it's 250. All the 1 to 2, 300cc. Then I got all the other stuff lah. High speed wax stuff. Okay. We go and get a drink from inside. Then once they're done, back on the road to check out the area. By the time should be sundown. We'll get some dinner and chill out. Chill out the aircon. Alright. Probably get me a drink. Then after that, let's wait for my bike over here, man. 1,000. Ooh. Looks like bike is good to go, man. Rides super clean. Ready for the ride back, man. A bit of scratches from all the riding. So like I said lah, 250 for above for big bikes, and then 100 more for chain cleaning and lube. It's good, man. It's good.